Hey, what's up, Chainlink? So this time the market is completely fails down of Chainlink is completely in the loss, my brothers. So you can see this time the last previous days, if you can see here, so they are completely the price is going to be very fastly down. So what's the main reason? What's the reduction? What's the opinion can of coming time, my friends? They're moving upward, and this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Let's get started without any time waste. Kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. This time you can see the 1 month chart is again, you can see my friend is on the screen the last 1 month, and this month is, you can see my friends, the half month is they moving upward, but the half month, if you can see my friends, especially the last days, they completely fails down. So what's the main reason, my friend? The main reason is that today fails down. The main reason is that especially my friend, and this month all capital market fails down. So the main reason is that, and the second reason is that especially the short term investor, they're starting selling, so therefore the price will be fails down. And also you can see this time the chain occur will be negative, so it's mean to people starting selling. So you can see here minus 29.06%, the price is in the loss. 52.05 USD dollar this time the latest price. But I hope, my friends, I hope at the end of month they take a very good jump, because everybody know this, to after fails they take a very good jump. So it's mean to upcoming time they also take a very good jump. So you need to wait for the end of this month, because my friend, I know at the end of month Chainlink is completely go in the moon, and they will give you very good profit. So if we check out, my friends, the last 1 hour chart, then we understand to it's a chance to upcoming time they moving upward. Yes, exactly, my friend. You can see here the last 1 hour chart is going to be showing you can see here 1.6% they change occur will be positive. So it's mean to they moving upward, and they give you a very good profit now at the end of month. But the price this time you can see 23.76 USD dollar. Oh my god, it's a half fail, my friends. Half dollars you can see here they are lost just in only in the 1 month. It's a very bad fail, my friend. But let's see, I hope, my friends, they will move very fastly. They go like a rocket. Absolutely, we are going the moon of coming time. So kindly you need to hold. Absolutely, especially request for short term investor, they're starting selling. So kindly just hold for the end of this month. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos.